Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 13th of May. The euro slid to a one-month low, touching 129.37 before correcting to 129.80 early this morning. We've seen the single currency weakening as European officials seemingly unable to manage the continent's worst economic performance in years, despite having record low interest rates. The US dollar continues its bullish trend against the Japanese yen. After overcoming its long-standing 100 resistance last week, the dollar finally edged higher to 102.14 before correcting somewhat to 101.60. Look out for signs of support at 101.50 as the pair just may test its newfound level. The British pound has reversed its bullish momentum, having reached as low as 153.17 before correcting itself to 153.62 against the US dollar. Even though it narrowly escaped a triple-dip recession, the cable still may be looking for consolidation at around the 154 level. Gold has failed to drop to a lower low after moving to 1427 before then rebounding up to 1438. The precious metal is looking for a lower level to stabilise itself as global monetary easing looks like it's set to continue for some time. Equities are edging higher, with European markets expected to open positive. The UK 100, which tracks the FTSE, aimed above 6604 on Friday and may even move higher amid continued expectations of monetary easing. Crude oil is trading just above 95.35 after falling for a third day. Energy prices are lower as OPEC boost output for a third day, and the surge in supply may push oil to further lows. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points are 130.15 with a preference to enter in short positions at 130.15. The dollar-yen pivot points is at 100.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 100.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9920 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9920. The sterling dollar pivot point at 154.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 154.15. And the dollar CAD pivot point at 101.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.50. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 94.80. The gold pivot points at 1449 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1449. The silver pivot points at 23.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 23.90. The US 500 is at 1530 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1530. And the UK 100 is at 6539 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6539. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Switzerland at 7:15 GMT, we had the retail sales year-on-year forecast to rise by 1%. In the US at 12:30 GMT, we have the retail sales month-on-month forecast to drop by 0.1%. And in New Zealand at 22:45 GMT, we have the retail sales quarter-on-quarter forecast to rise by 0.7%. And our pair of interest to start the week off is the British pound US dollar. The sterling has reversed its bullish momentum, having reached as low as 153.17 before correcting to 153.62 against the dollar. Even though it has managed to escape a triple dip recession, the cable may look for consolidation at around the 154 level. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great week. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.